morning. What do you want to do today?
I want to make pancakes.
You want to make some pancakes?
Yes. You teaching me how to be good swimmer.
Okay, let's go. So what are we doing today?
We're gonna do some sauce and some eggs, and we have a bowl, and we're gonna do some milk.
Yes, good job. What is this right here?
Milk.
Milk. And what is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. I think it might be pancake mix.
Yes.
Yes, pancake mix. And what is this? What else do we put in our pancakes?
We put eggs.
Awesome. Good job. And what is this goodies over here? What is this? Some chocolate chips and M&M's we're going to put in there. Okay, now what do we put in there first?
This.
Okay, let's put it in there. Oh, wow. Good job.
And now we mix up.
Now we mix up. Well, maybe we put in the milk, maybe? Should we put in some milk? Okay, we're going to go to the egg. Let's put the egg in there. Okay. Okay. Oh, good job. Good job. You want to put some milk in there now? Okay. And pour it slow. Loop, 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 loop. There you go. Awesome. Good job.
Now,
Do you want to stir it up first?
this.
You're going to put that in there? Okay. You're going to put the candy in there? Good job. A little treat. What are those? Those chocolate chips? I love chocolate chips. Do you love chocolate chips?
Yes.
Yes. Can't wait to eat some chocolate chips in my pancakes. Good job. Put that over there. Okay. Now's the time to stir it up. Okay. We got all the ingredients in there. Yes. Stir, stir, stir. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. Use your muscles. There you go. Use your muscles. Is that hard? There you go. Awesome. You think that's enough? You're blowing on it now? Is it getting a little hot? Is it getting a little hot? There you go. Now we're gonna put it in the oven.